shopping. It's totally RV unfriendly, barriers everywhere, so nowhere to park there. We're just coming into Turnberry now, the famous Turnberry. I'm going to turn around and have a look at the lighthouse. We've just gone past it, guys. This is the famous Turnberry. Lots of rich people here, guys. It's all about the golf. Look at these condos. Wow. As I've turned around, guys, I'm going to go back and have a look at the lighthouse before I find a camp. Might be a camp up here, I don't know. Here's the famous Turnberry Links Golf Course, one of the most famous courses in Scotland. I wouldn't like to think how much a membership is there. Probably looking at thousands, guys, and there's condos, mansions everywhere. Crazy, eh? Crazy money. Right, we're going to look at this lighthouse, guys. That's the famous Turnberry Links Golf Course. Piddling down the rain, guys. I'll just show you briefly where we are before we strap in for the night. The World War II airport back in the day, guys. Back in the 40s. Turnberry is just there, guys, about a mile away. This is where we camped. Sorry about the wind. This is where we camped. Look at this. I got my own porch, my own entrance to my camp. Country Vanlife UK. His own camp. Here we are at Turnberry Lighthouse, guys. So peaceful, so quiet. I don't see any restrictions anywhere, but I'm going to give it a go. Here we go, guys. What a grand entrance to my camp, eh? Enough bays for about 10 cars. I'll show you exactly where I am, guys. Lovely jubbly. Turnberry Lighthouse is down there, about half a mile. We'll have a look at that tomorrow. The famous Turnberry Links Golf Course is just over the other side of that gorse. Famous Trump Turnberry Golf Course complex is all down there, guys. All the millionaire condos. And I'll show you exactly where we are, guys. We're all alone on this peaceful, beautiful camp, right in the middle of all this Scottish gorse. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's cold, it's windy, it's wet. Bloody freezing. But loving it. Oh, that wind's not blowing too much. I'll just turn the camera around to show you the camp. Need to get in, settle down. Kettle's on, mother. Settle down for the night. What a beautiful spot. Hopefully we can get signals here, because Turnberry's just there, so I should get plenty of signals for my TV and for my work. Do a bit of work here, hopefully, for a couple of days maybe. Run down into Turnberry as well. Lovely jubbly. Famous Turnberry. Wow. Look at my camp, guys. Here we are at my camp. Just outside my entrance to my chateau. And there we are, just sat in the corner there. Snug as a bug in a rug. No restrictions anywhere I can see. Lovely. And this is exactly where we are, guys. Turnberry Lighthouse. It's just 0.6 of a mile up there. Oh, I see King Robert Bruce, the King of Scotland, was born down here. That's iconic Turnberry Lighthouse. At the lighthouse. Don't know about that. 1300, blimey. That's a long time ago. Magnificent Turnberry, breathtaking views overlooking the crag. Turnberry, it's not Turnberry now, it's Trump Turnberry. Mr. Trump owns it. Right, guys, snug as a bug in a rug. Look at this, tucked in the corner, out the wind as well. Lovely jubbly. Let's get inside. My hands are bloody freezing. Got this lovely Scottish gorse everywhere. Oh, tucked right into the bushes, guys, out the way. I've hidden in here so people driving past can't see me. You never know, you never know. Hello, Skye. Hello, Skye. You have a look in your new camp in a minute. I'll put you on the lead outside. But the rain's coming down now. Yeah, the rain's coming. Right, we'll settle in, we'll get the heater on, and we'll get some dinner on. Oh, lovely. Down at the lighthouse camp. Lovely camp, lovely camp. As I say, there's no cars in there at all. There's no signs whatsoever at all in there. I settled in the corner, as you know, lovely and quiet. Got my dinner on, rocking in the oven. Got a chicken with Dolphin potatoes on top. Cooking in the oven. Getting ready to have a can of Guinness as well. And it was lovely, pissing down the rain, and I was going to show you the lighthouse in the morning. But about half an hour ago, there's a knock on in the pissing down the rain. This window here, the only window that's out, I've got looking out. Everything else is shut up, and all the insulator curtains are down. And there's not, I saw this motor pull up. It was like an off-road kind of bloody thing. I don't know what it was. This bloke got out the bloody con. I saw him coming towards the van and he knocked the window. I said, good evening, how you doing? And he says, you're not allowed to park here, mate. He's a Scottish fella. I says, well, there's no signs outside, Governor. There's nothing on the gate. There's nothing inside the car park. There's nothing on the entrance to the car park. The car park's empty. What's the problem? He says, you can't park here. You cannot park overnight in this car park. I says, who says so? He says, there's signs out the front. I says, there is no signs out the front of this car park. And he says, there's a sign out the front saying no overnight camping. I said, well, okay then, it's pissing down around, just let me get my coat on, I'll come outside with you and you show me where this bloody sign is, because I look thoroughly before I camp anywhere for signs. And there was no sign out the front. Then he started to say, well, there used to be a sign out. I said, are you taking the piss or what, mate? What do you mean there used to be a sign there? If there's no sign there now, I'm quite legal to park. He says, I don't care. He says, you cannot park here. If you don't move, I'm going to get the Rangers. I says, do what you're bleeding like, fella. Go and get the bloody police. Do one. Just get out of my face, mate. There's no signs here. You can't make me move, your security can't make me move, and the police cannot make me move. So just get out my face and do one, leave me alone. I'm doing no harm. I was starting to, you know, rise a little bit, and I don't like confrontation, guys. I really don't like confrontation. You know, I'll avoid it at every corner that I can. I just want calmness and good people in my life, not little Hitler twats like that little git. Anyway, he's going on and going on and going on. I said, look, fella, I'm not moving. I'm staying here. Do what you like. Get your bloody security. I said, phone the police. I said, I'll phone the police for you if you like. I said, just get out of my face and bloody do one and get out of here. He says, you cannot park here. I said, look, just jog on, fella. Bloody well jog on. And he says, this is Trump land. You cannot park on Trump property. I says, fella, I says, go and give Donald a ring and I'll speak to him on the bloody phone. Bloody Trump. I don't give a whose land it is. I don't give a who owns it, fella. There is no signs out there. Get out of my face. Do one. Do what you got to do, mate. Little bloody Hitler. What is the matter with these people? Why don't they just leave RV? What is this anti-RV thing going on? It is crap. I mean, Scotland is wonderful. This is the first issue I've had in Scotland in 2 years and many, many months in the Scottish Islands and up in the Lowlands and the Highlands and all the islands as well, Skye. I have never had a little shit like that come up to my van and tell me to move. He had no authority whatsoever. I said, who are you, mate? I said, who are you? He said, doesn't matter who I am. I said, look, mate, you've got no authority. You've got no officialdom at all. Just do one and do what you've got to do. What is the matter with people? Why do they do that to RVs? I just don't understand the chip on the shoulder about RVs. I think it's all down to bloody jealousy. I'm sure it is. Bloody Trump's land. Who gives a shit whose bloody land it is? Donald, if you're listening, mate, give us a call. Jesus Christ. Donald Trump's land. You can't park anywhere on Donald Trump's land. I know it's a hello turf with the Turnberry golf course and all that. Dear oh dear. Dear oh dear oh dear. What a bloody little shite. I mean, the Scottish people are fantastic. Every single Scottish person I have met has been absolutely wonderful, guys. Brilliant people. Love them to bits. I really do. I've spent lots of time, many, many months in Scotland, and they are beautiful, friendly, kind people. And you get a little shite like that, a little Scottish man with a big chip on his bloody shoulder, just spoil it all. Anyway, buggered off. I sat there for a minute. I started eating my dinner, and you just lose the mood, don't you? Everything goes. You just don't feel comfortable. You know, you've lost the desire to stay in that particular spot. So I got in my bloody cab, and without my bloody boots on, after he'd gone like half an hour, without my boots on, and drove in the pissing down and pouring down a bloody rain in the pitch black. I don't like driving in the bloody dark, especially when it's pissing down a rain. I pulled in on this lay-by now. That's why you can hear some cars going by, guys. I'm on a little lay-by. It's all right. It's nice. It's out the way. It's tucked out the way. I'll be all right here in the morning till the morning. And I'll go back to the lighthouse. I might go back early and park up there. Make me leave to that little Hitler that I've been there all night, because I want to have a look at the lighthouse and try and get my drone up and look at Turnberry from the air, because it is a beautiful place. But by God, there are some mansions down here. There's some money down here, guys. Anyway, enough of that little tick. I'm in this lay-by now. We'll go back up there in the morning and have a look at Turnberry Lighthouse. Donald Trump's Turnberry Lighthouse. Donald Trump's land. Donald Trump's roads. Donald Trump's bloody fields. If that little Scottish man should be listening, get a life, mate. Get a life and do one. Well, I certainly put a bee in his ear, off his trotted. Whether he came back with security, I haven't got a bloody clue. I doubt it, because they never had a foot to stand on. Anyway, guys, that's my little rant. We have a little rant now and again. I don't need bad people in my life. I need calm people. I don't need hassle. I don't need bad vibes. It's all good vibes in my life. I do not need it, guys, not with my tension and anxiety. I really don't. Because I'll just fly off the handle one day and I'll bloody give somebody a smack in the face. You know, I don't encourage violence by no means, but that's my temperament. That's the way my head is at the moment, guys. If anybody upsets me, you know, one day I'll just, I don't know what I'll do. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this quick video, this quick little rant. It doesn't happen very often in my life. I think in the 2 years I've been Vanlifing, I've had maybe 2 confrontations, 3. And they're really mild, really. It's just people telling you to move, which just gets on your bloody back. Gets your hair up, doesn't it? Leave us alone. Cheers, guys. Love you all. Till next time. We love Scotland.